What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can delete your TikTok videos. So let's start this video by launching the TikTok app. When the app is launched, on bottom right corner you will see your profile icon. Now tap on that and go to your profile. On your profile you will see all of your videos. Now tap on the video you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots on the right hand side. Then swipe left and you will see the delete option. Now tap on delete and then tap delete again and your video will be deleted. And that is how you can delete your video on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.